Hey guys, how's it going? It's Molly. I'm here today to do a very quick and easy summertime makeup look. This is the makeup look that I throw on my face when I'm A, gonna be spending time outside, B, in a hurry, or C, just want something more natural. So I figured I would go ahead and film this for you because I know that I have subscribers that don't want to wear a full face of makeup every single day. So this is a nice, easy, simple alternative to that. And obviously, you don't have to wear makeup every day. Don't wear makeup every day. It's not necessary. But if you want to, and you want something easy, then this is for you. So at any rate, I'm gonna stop talking and show you guys what I did. And yeah, I hope you stick around and watch the video. Okay, so the first product I'm gonna use is the number 7 bronzer in caramel. I'm just putting this in my crease. I actually already started. So it's just a nice, simple, fast, easy eye look. And I'm not really caring about precision, like it's getting on my lid. I don't really care. I kind of bring it down onto my outer V, buff it up onto my brow bone. You know, we're going pretty easy here. Okay, and then for the lid, I'm just gonna put some ColourPop Flexitarian on my finger, and I'm just going to tap that on my lid. Now, if you want more staying power with this, I would definitely use an eye primer. I'm not really worried about it today. Plus, with the eye primer that I have, the Urban Decay one in Eden, the one that cancels out any discoloration on your lids, I'm finding it's hard to do simple looks with it because it cancels everything out. So then you kind of have to go in with more product to bring some life back to your eyes. And then I'm just going back over the crease with the bronzer just to help kind of blend that together. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and skip foundation. I tend to skip foundation more frequently in the summer months. I figure I'm possibly going to be sweating it off. So I'm good with just using concealer. So I have my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this one is maybe a little bit light. I know that I've mentioned that before, but I make it work, and I'll show you how. So I'm taking it under my eyes, obviously, and then also along the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and then I just blend it out with my sponge, making sure to really pull it down so that it's not just right there. Then I take some down onto my chin, all along my nose, buff it up into my forehead. To set that, I'm gonna take my NYX banana powder, and I'm just gonna set I'm only putting this where I put the concealer. And I try to set like the inner portion of my eye really well because I usually touch that area quite a bit. I am going to put my hair up really quick. It's too hot with it down. And then the next thing that I'm gonna do is take that same bronzer on my bronzer brush, and I'm going to bronze along my forehead and my cheeks, just the perimeters of my face. Obviously, this step is completely optional if you're not in the, I just really like more of a bronzed golden look in the summer. Definitely in the mood for that. And I have been taking it on my nose and on my chin. And if it's too light on your forehead, take some bronzer. And then I'm going to take a little bit along my jawline. And then for blush, I've really been loving this Tarte blush. This is in the shade Captivating, and it's just a really pretty peach blush. And I feel like summertime is a great, I mean, peach blush in the summer is, if you're doing peach blush, now's the time, in my opinion. You can do peach blush whenever you want to, but I really love this. And I just got this Sonia Kashuk, still don't know how to pronounce it, blush brush at Target probably a couple weeks ago, and I love it so much. So, and I've also been changing how I do my blush. Like, I've really been focusing the color here. I used to just like sweep it all along here. But I'm, like I said, focusing the color here and then pulling it up a little bit, but I'm going to take my bronzing brush and just kind of buff that together. Okay, so that's that. Brows, my Mellow Brow Pencil. Loving it, absolutely loving it. So I do still do my brows. Wait, I'm not ready for brows. Okay, then I'm gonna take the ColourPop highlighter and I'm just gonna dab that along my cheekbones and up on my brow bone. Because not only do I want like a golden bronze look, I want a glowy look too. So this is how I do that. Yep, I love it. I love it. Oh, I love it. Okay, now we're gonna do brows. So nothing crazy here, I'm just filling them in. Also, I'm sorry about the sound quality in my last video. My mic kept cutting in and out and it was incredibly annoying. But I'm hoping that I've figured out a solution. I did go ahead and buy a new mic. It hasn't gotten here yet. It's supposed to get here today. So after this video, future videos should have decent sound quality. Fingers are crossed. I really hope so. Okay, and then for my lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and take that fluffy brush that I used up above. I know, it's fluffy. And I'm just taking this along my lower lash line. But I'm holding it down, so I'm not going straight at it because I don't want a ton. Like I don't want the color to go too low. So by holding the brush like this, I can really concentrate it where I want it. Also, you could just use a smaller brush. Mine is downstairs though, so that's not an option. I mean, I could go get it, but I'm not gonna. Okay, setting spray, e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. Spray this, spray this. Now, you may ask, why is she using setting spray when she doesn't have any foundation on? I think it still helps to keep your powder products in place to use setting spray, so that's why. All right, then for mascara, I'm using the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. This stuff is amazing, and it's like, I think it's less than $5. So, yeah. So I always do at least a couple coats, sometimes more. And make sure to get the upper and lower lash line. I also tend to concentrate my mascara along like the outer portion of my eyes. I feel like it gives a more, I don't know, I was going to say I feel like it gives a more awake look, but I've actually heard that's not true. I don't know what it does, but I like it. Okay. So this is what we're working with so far. I think for lips, with a look like this, I really like a gloss. I know that I just used this one in my video that I just uploaded, the Shop My Stash tutorial. I don't know, you can use any gloss. I am gonna go ahead and use this one though, because why not? Because I want to. Even though it's Wet n Wild, and I don't care for them right now. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Super easy. 8 products is all that I used. And honestly, if I hadn't been talking through it, it would have been 10 minutes or less. So I'm totally here for that. There are mornings when I need to just get my makeup done and go. So at any rate, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, maybe subscribe before you go, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.